Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A15. Now this is a soft factory reset, assuming you have all your passwords or pattern or fingerprint or all the security for your phone. So what you need to do is simply go to settings. Under settings, go to general management. Tap on that. Under general management, you want to scroll down to reset. Tap on that. And then select factory data reset. And then it's going to tell you about a factory data reset, more importantly than the fact that it's going to clear all your user data on your phone and take you back to the initial startup screen. So all your user data is going to be deleted. So to proceed, scroll to the bottom and tap on reset. Now, like I said, you do need your security credentials to finish this process, and then confirm by tapping on delete all. And that's going to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A15. Now, if you've forgotten your password, PIN, or pattern, then you might have to perform a hard reset. Now, this will also clear all your data, but then you can do this even without a pattern, PIN, or password if you've forgotten it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.